The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf.
We've now vested our interest, 100% interest in Pike Warden. That's a large project up in the Yukon, just north of the BC border. It has some significant new porphyry opportunities that haven't been recognized in the past, as well as up to 30 significant epithermal high-grade gold and silver showings.
All right, welcome back inside our Proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Scott Mclean. He is the CEO of Transisitonmetals. And Scott, it's great to see you. How are you?
Very good. It's been a while, Steve, but nice to see you
It,
too.
yeah, nice to see you as well. It has been a little while, so let's get caught up on everything that's going on. For those not familiar, tell me a little bit about Transisitonmetals.
Well, Transition Metals has a lot within a small company. Currently, we trade for about $7 million on the TSXV, and currently have assets worth about 25 million, including 10 million in cash and securities. So we're in really good shape, really strong balance sheet, and just don't get any recognition for that on the market. So coming and talking with you today, I'm trying to educate investors that this is a great opportunity with a significant delta between market cap and asset value.
Yeah, tell me a bit about your assets. I know that last time you and I talked, Pike Warden was obviously the key one. Is that still the case?
Yeah, we've taken that a long way. We've now vested our interest, 100% interest in Pike Warden. That's a large project up in the Yukon, just north of the BC border. It has some significant new porphyry opportunities that haven't been recognized in the past, as well as up to 30 significant epithermal high-grade gold and silver showings up in the highlands there. We're excited about the project. It's a big project. We'd like to find a partner for that now. It's got a huge data set on it. We've spent a lot of money, and it's now time to bring in another party to help us take that to the next step.
Is that sort of they'll do the sort of the on the grounds work and help support that? Is that what you're looking for?
Yeah, we'd like to take. It needs a significant influx of capital now, we think, which would include geophysics and primarily drilling that needs to be done there. And it would be nice to have some help on that project.
Okay, so tell me about the other assets that you're really excited about, Scott.
Yeah, sure. So we have about 14 projects across Canada, a number in Ontario, Saskatchewan, Northwest Territories, Yukon, as I mentioned, Nova Scotia, and BC. Our main, and we like to look for partners for most of these projects. Our main work this year will focus on our gold opportunity in the Abitibi called Gowganda. It's along the Rideout structure, which is an underexplored deep crustal structure south of the Cadillac Break. And over the last decade, there's been about 15 million ounces of gold found along that, including IM Gold's Cote project and McFarland Lake's Juby project in the Shiny Tree area. And we're right along trend of that, have about 1.5 kilometer strike length of good mineralization there in the Archean, as well as some Proterozoic silver opportunities. That project needs some attention, especially in this rather frothy gold market. We'd like to see that project advance. We've got some great plans for it, including structural analysis, some trenching, and then some drilling this summer. The other project, which we'll see some opportunity, some work done on it, is our Saturday Night Platinum Palladium project. And as you know, Steve, platinum and palladium have done reasonably well over the last year, and significantly increased in those projects and those metal prices and projects. PGM projects are hard to find around the globe. We've got two of them in the Thunder Bay area, our 25% free carry in Sunday Lake, which is a significant discovery, and 100% interest in Saturday Night that we now have 5 drill holes into, all mineralized, a wide open sheet of mineralization that's about 800 by 200 meters in size and growing.
I know you're raising some capital right now. Is that going to be to get a bunch of this work done? And are you looking for partners on those particular projects as well, Scott, or is this something the company's going to push forward?
We'll take those ones forward now. We're always open to discussions on partnerships, but those are the two projects that we'll be focused on this year. And the reason we're raising a little capital is we do have a strong balance sheet with about $3 million in cash. That's all hard dollars. We would like to take advantage of the flow through opportunities, and we're carrying out some charity flow through money, charity flow through financing, so that we can preserve those hard dollars and keep the company in good financial a good financial position for the months and years ahead.
Scott, it sounds like this is going to be a very busy year then. It sounds like you got a lot of work planned.
Yeah, we do have a fair bit of work planned, and we'd like to get going on it. Spring is here, and it'll be here in a couple of days, and we really want to get up and running on our field programs. So we hope to be able to close out that financing. Obviously, if there's investors out there that are interested in participating, we're certainly open to those calls.
All right, Scott, we'll leave it there. Thanks so much. Good update as always, and we look forward to following the story as it continues to develop. Okay.
Very good, Steve. Yeah, have a nice day.
You as well. Scott Mclean, the CEO of Transition Metals.
The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf. It is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, an offer, or a solicitation to buy or sell any securities. Viewers should conduct their own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. The views expressed are those of the speaker and do not necessarily reflect those of Proactive Group Holdings, trading as Proactive Investors or its affiliates. No responsibility is accepted for any loss arising from reliance on the information presented.